of you. Students, in previous lecture we completed the block number 3 in subject science. Okay. So students, what we study about the block number 3 or in block number 3? Which points we study about the block number 3 or in block number 3? Anyone tell your own answer? So students, in first lesson we study the types of animals, ear and skin. Types of animals, ears and skin. Means that animal मध्ये जे ears आहेत त्यांची जी skin आहे त्या संदर्भात आपण स्टडी केला. You know that in elephant the ear like a fan like structure. The elephant ears are the fan like structure. Okay, means that their ears are very bigger. Then in giraffe, the ears of giraffe also present on the top of the head and leaf like structure. Okay, then students, in monkeys, the ears of monkeys are present at the side of the head. At the side of the head. In second lesson, we study the visible and invisible ears of animals. So tell me, what is meant by visible and what is meant by invisible? So students, visible ears means able to see, able to be seen. जे आपण पाहू शकतो त्याला काय म्हणतात? विजिबल. And invisible means, invisible ears means unable to see. जे आपण पाहू शकत नाही that is called unable to see or invisible. And in this lesson we study which animals have the visible ears and which animals have the invisible ears. So visible ears means able to see, invisible ears means unable to see. So which examples of the visible ears of animals? Which animals present the visible ears and in which animals present the invisible ears? Visible ears like the elephant. The ears of elephants like a fan-like structure. Camel. The ears of camel are visible. Donkey. The ears of donkey are the visible. Means that they able to see. And invisible ears in a snake, they are the invisible ears. Lizard means भिंतीवरची पाल. They are the invisible ears. The small holes are present on the head of the lizard, and these holes are called the ears of this lizard, and these are the invisible. Then crocodile. Crocodile has a invisible ears. Crocodile has a invisible ears. फ्रॉगचे जी स्किन आहे ती कशासाठी हेल्पफुल ठरते? इन फ्रॉग्स द स्किन इज हेल्पफुल फॉर द ब्रीदिंग. ओके. इन थर्ड लेसन वी स्टडी द टाइप्स ऑफ स्किन इन एनिमल्स. सो इन एनिमल्स which types of skin is present? So you know that the crocodile, on the skin of crocodile the scales are also present. Means that the skin of crocodile is scaly. Then tortoise has a shell. Tortoise has a shell. Shell means टणक असं कवच असतं त्याला काय म्हणतात? शेल म्हणतात. Tortoise means castle. Okay. Then next example is bear. So bear has a fur. Okay. Then the zebra, camel, as well as tiger, they all animals are the different types of skin. Okay. The birds ears are also covered with feather. Okay. In fourth lesson, we study about the uses of skins for animals. तर ॲनिमल जे आहे त्यांना स्किनचा काय यूज होतो. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, इन पोलर बियर द स्किन ऑफ पोलर बियर इज हेल्प फॉर द प्रोटेक्शन फ्रॉम द कोल्ड. इन porcupine the skin of porcupine also protected from the enemies. Next, lion, the skin of lion also protect to camouflage. And in frog the skin is also helpful for the breathing process. Okay, so students, today we study about the block test number 2. It is a block test number 3, and these are total block test for the 10 marks. How many marks? 10 marks. Okay, so see the question first. First question, name 2 body parts of animals that help us recognize them. Which body parts are most essential for the animals to help us recognize them? So students, the skin and ears are also helpful for the recognizing the animals. Then question number 2, fill in the blanks. Question number 2, fill in the blanks. So dash dash and dash dash are animals that have ears on top of their heads. Which animals have the ears are present on top of their heads? कोणते ॲनिमल्स आहेत ज्यांचे इयर्स अगदी टॉप ऑफ हेड प्रेझेंट आहेत? सो स्टुडंट्स, the examples are the giraffe and rabbit. The ears of giraffe and ears of rabbit also present on the top of head. Next, question number 3, name an animal that has what is a scale. On which animal scale is present, or which animal skin is a scaly? So example is answer is crocodile. Okay. Then fur. On which animals the fur is present, or a furry skin? Which of the animals is a furry skin? So bear, polar bear. Then shell. So answer is tortoise. The skin of tortoise is a shelly. Okay. So question number 4, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. So students, here question A, the color of skin helps animal to dash dash in places where they live. ॲनिमल्सचे जी स्किनचा कलर आहे तो कशासाठी त्यांना उपयुक्त ठरतो? फॉर द कॅमोफ्लेज, मीन्स दॅट हाईड. ओके. देन नेक्स्ट, द स्किन ऑफ सम ॲनिमल्स सच ॲज अ फ्रॉग हेल्प्स टू. देन फ्रॉगची स्किन कशासाठी हेल्पफुल असते? फॉर द ब्रीदिंग. क्वेश्चन सी, porcupine has a dash dash on its body that helps to keep itself safe from enemy animals. मग porcupineच्या जो आहे त्या porcupineच्या बॉडीवरती काय प्रेझेंट असतात? क्विल्स असतात. Porcupine has a quills on its body. Understand this block test? Any objection about this? So students, today's homework of subject science, solve this block test number 3 and send me with the WhatsApp. Okay.